we got ourselves the crumble cookies of the week. First up, we got butter cake. Very nice, warm and buttery, and had a nice cream on top. 8.4 out of 10. Next up here is the spicy deluxe sandwich. Just kidding. This one's a lot more savory than most crumble cookies I'm used to, which makes sense because it has a lot less added sugar. I'm pretty sure it's high in protein too. Gonna have to give the spicy deluxe sandwich a 9 out of 10. Super delicious. Really good savory taste. Definitely switched it up from most desserts at Crumble. The Brookie. This time I'm not kidding. The Brookie at Crumble is actually always fire. I'm giving it a 9.2 out of 10. Really good chocolate chip cookie combination with the brownie. Absolutely delicious. Birthday cake featuring Oreo. Oreo and birthday cake is kind of an odd combination, but this one actually pulls it off pretty good. We'll go 8.1 out of 10. Here's Doulce Deiche. I didn't think that one was that good. It kind of just tasted like a plain, like, cinnamon cookie, which can be good sometimes, but this one didn't really hit for me. I'm gonna say 6 out of 10. Last up, we got the strawberry ice cream bar. Kind of too warm to be an ice cream bar, but the strawberry taste is pretty good. Like I said, I enjoyed the strawberry taste, but the texture wasn't the best. We'll say 7.6 out of 10. Overall, not a bad week. They definitely switched it up on us a little bit this week, though, for sure.